Welcome to the environment of NOKIA G21, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So let's first launch the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. After that you'll see here the advanced, click here once and you'll see then the default notification sound section. Click here once and now just select one from this available tones. For example, this one, then just click here to OK, and after that we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Nokia phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.